Opioids and illegal drug use continue to be problems in many communities, including right here in La Crosse.
But a drug roundtable hosted by State Senator Jennifer Shilling today is looking for solutions to this crisis. News 8's Eric Jacobson was at the roundtable today. He now joins us with more.
Martha and Mike, officials from police, fire, as well as human services were on hand at La Crosse's City Hall to share ideas on how to stop the spread of illegal drugs in the community. And despite different ideas from multiple agencies, they all say it takes a community to solve this problem.
This is an epidemic in communities across the state, large and small.
It's why State Senator Jennifer Shilling is holding roundtable discussions across the area in regards to opioids and illegal drugs.
This is a day of building up ideas for future legislation, future packages to deal with drug abuse in our communities.
A big topic of conversation at the roundtable was the problem of finding affordable treatment options for those looking in recovery.
We've identified, I think, within the La Crosse community that there may be available beds for people for residential treatment, but the funding may not go along with it. And then once people have completed their inpatient or residential treatment program, there really isn't housing available, safe housing that is affordable or available for them in a situation or an environment that might be conducive to recovery.
And with necessary treatment lasting weeks or even months, along with treatments costing in the tens of thousands of dollars, insurance isn't always the answer.
There's usually an 80-20 kind of coverage, but not as often as what's needed.
It's a concern Senator Shilling is hearing often.
There certainly is a challenge for treatment for drug abuse, and that some of the centers and the treatment centers are very far away and they're not necessarily regionally located.
But whatever the solution may be, they understand it takes everyone from the community to solve the problem.
Well, I think it demonstrates that we have to attack this epidemic on a lot of different angles, a lot of different fronts that we are working on.
Shilling also asked members of the roundtable their thoughts on legislation that was recently passed by the state. Those laws include strengthening the state's prescription drug monitoring program, as well as better prevention efforts.
Thanks a lot, Eric. And other topics they talked about today, the availability of Narcan, as well as increasing the number of mental health treatment centers that are available.